Hi everyone, I'm Jim and I want to build a kit car, and in this video I'm going to be laying out what this channel is all about and what you could expect in the future. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jim and I am launching this channel to feature my journey to building a kit car and anything about cars. Now, I'm not an expert in the industry, I'm not a professional mechanic, but that's the point of taking on this project like this. It's something you could do yourself for the most part and take pride in doing it. And hopefully I set an example that with enough research and drive, you could accomplish anything you put your mind to. Or fail miserably, but who cares? We're having fun. And is it ever an epic fail? I guess if you started the car on fire and burnt your house down, that would be an epic fail, but we're not planning on doing that here, so forget I even said anything about it. So what should you expect from the channel? It's not just going to be a build. It will be the process of figuring out how to go about it, budgeting, can I even do this, and decisions on how I want it to look or what engine should I put in it. Am I building an engine or am I buying an engine? All those topics are fair game. Other things you will see is how to do paint correction and certain types of maintenance on other cars. This year I did a paint correction on my Lexus and it was freaking amazing how it came out. That paint looked better than coming off the showroom floor. It went to show car status with only a few hours of work and it was really satisfying. I will share all that with you along with the products I used to do it. And you never know where this will end up. I'm starting the journey with you and we'll see where it goes. So if you're into cars, please subscribe and hit the notification button so when a new video comes out, you'll get alerted. And of course, spread the word on social media. Have a great day and see you soon.